Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are to learn numbers. The number line. The number line is a horizontal line with an arrow towards the right direction, and we define this as the positive direction. So you know that to the left, that is the negative direction. We have a critical point on the line that is 0. The reason that 0 is so important because 0 separates the number line into two regions. On the right, you have the positive region. All the number that lies on the positive region are positive. So you should have 1, 2, 3, and so on. And as you move towards the positive direction, you should notice that your numbers are getting bigger and bigger. On the other hand, you have negative region that is on the left of 0. You should have -1, -2, and -3. And if you keep moving in the negative direction, the numbers should get smaller and smaller. If I am to ask you, is 3 bigger or -2 is bigger? Then the first step, you are to locate your two numbers, 3 and -2. So the one that is on the right of the other is bigger. So you see that 3 is on the right of -2, so 3 is greater than 2. Let's look at another example. You have 0 and -1. The first step, you are to locate 0 and -1. And I believe 0 is on the right of -1, so 0 is greater than -1. So given two numbers for you to compare, the first step is for you to locate the two numbers on the number line. And then you are to look at the one that is on the right of the other. And the one that is on the right is the bigger number.